Chapter 9 Profit, Loss and Discount. First you have to understand what is CP. CP meaning cost price, SP meaning selling price, CP meaning when you are purchasing that cost is called cost price, SP meaning selling price meaning when you will sell by anything, that is called selling price. When selling price is greater than cost price, then you will get a profit. When CP is greater than SP, then you will get a loss. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Percentage sign is compulsory. If you are not putting percentage sign, totally it will be wrong. Loss percentage equal to loss divided by CP into 100%. Percentage sign is too much important. Otherwise, total formula I will be cut out. Okay, children. When you will study the formula, clearly you have to study. Okay. Another one formula is there. When profit percentage giving and CP also you know, then how you will find out SP? SP equal to CP into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. Okay. Like that, if loss given, you know loss coming, loss percentage given, then minus sign will become. Profit giving, then plus sign will come. Like that, if profit percentage and CP give, SP given, how to find out CP? CP equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Okay. You have to study the formula very thoroughly, children. Formula only you need to solve this chapter. Clear? Nothing else. This only the chapter. One important matter is that if you want a profit percentage, a loss percentage, children, they will give CP of 10 pen. Suppose 10 pen CP. Then you have to find out SP of 10 pen also. Okay. When you will find out the CP of how much article, that much article selling price also you have to find out. If CP of 5 article, then you have to find out the SP of 5 article. Otherwise CP of 1 article, then you have to find out SP of 1 article. Then only you will get a profit or loss. You can't do CP of 5 pen and SP of 10 pen. After that you subtract and do it, you will get a wrong answer. So I am telling, if you are find outing the CP of 10 pen, then you have to find out the SP of 10 pen, not 15 pen. Same number of articles CP and SP need. Then only you will get a profit and a loss. That is very important. Okay. Exercise 9.1 only in the syllabus. Introduction part I explained what is CP, what is SP, what is profit, what is loss, how to find out profit percentage and loss percentage. For that you have to study the formula first. From the formula you will get automatically answer. You put the value in the formula, you will get the answer. SP minus CP equal to profit. SP and CP you subtract, you will get rupees 100. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Put the value, you will get a 40%. Clear? Percentage meaning divided by 100. Whenever profit percentage is there, then profit divided by CP into 100%. Not write 100. Profit divided by CP into 100 you are writing, that totally wrong. Okay. Percentage sign is there. So like that, second CP given, SP given. Seeing time you can understand CP is greater than SP. So you will get a loss. CP minus SP, loss getting rupees 15. Then apply it in formula, loss percentage equal to loss divided by CP into 100. You will get a, by cutting you will get a 4% loss percentage. Next CP 250 and profit given. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Profit and CP. You put the value and cut out, you will get a 20%. Fourth also CP given, loss given, SP equal to CP minus loss. Loss you are getting after you put it in formula and cut out, you will get a 8 and 8 by 9 percentage. SP equal to rupees 1600, loss equal to 400, CP equal to SP plus loss. You will get 2000 as CP. Okay. After that, you find out loss percentage, loss divided by CP. By cutting, you will get a 20% as answer. Question number 2, find the cost price. SP given, gain percentage given. Gain only written, but the number, the value having the percentage sign, that meaning gain percentage given. Okay. So formula you know, CP equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage. Formula is too much important and you have to study thoroughly formula and apply it in the formula. You will get 678 into 100 divided by 113. By cutting, you will get rupees 600. Like that, SP given 1365, loss percentage given. Okay, loss percentage, apply it in formula. After that, you cut out, you will get rupees 1500. Like that, SP given, gain percentage given, put it in formula, and after that you cut out, you will get 58.10. Children, here decimal sign is there. Then how you will cut out? You want to take out this decimal. Then what you have to do in introduction part, I already explained. Here also you make a after decimal 2 digit. Here after decimal 2 digit is there. Here also you have to make a after decimal 2 digit. That meaning after decimal 20. Then this decimal and this decimal will be cancelled out. See, so 2 zeros came. Clear? Fourth one, SP given, loss given. CP equal to SP plus loss. Add it, you will get 2836. SP 216, loss percentage given. Then you put it and cut down, you will get rupees 225. Next, you have to find out the selling price. CP given, gain percentage given, apply it in formula. Formula too much important, children. Apply it in formula and cut out. You will get 1128.75. Next question also CP. Only you use the formula, you will get answer automatically. And cutting also, you check it and carefully you have to cut out this number, numerator and denominator. See. After cutting, you get rupees 765. Here also same process. You have to convert this mixed into improper fraction. Cross multiply 200 plus 25 divided by 2. This 2 will be come down. See, 200 plus 25 divided by 2. 100 and 1000, 20 will be cut out. Here 10 will be left out. And you solve it, you will get 1125. Next question, question number 4. CP given, loss percentage given, SP formula, and you will get rupees 5940. CP and loss given, SP equal to CP minus loss, you will get 1250. Question number 4. CP of TV given 18,950, loss given. Then SP equal to CP plus loss, you add it, you will get SP equal to 14,170. Okay. Question number 5. SP of car, loss given. Then CP equal to SP plus loss, you will get 27,000. 2,75,000. CP equal to SP plus loss, you will get 2,75,000. And question number 6. SP of genset given, profit also given. SP minus profit, you will get CP. Subtract, you will get 17,263. Question number 7. CP of music system. CP and spend this much money spent on the music system. So that also you are giving from your that pocket only. So you have to add, then you will get a total CP. Question number 7, CP of music system and rupees spent for transportation. That also you are only giving money for transportation, so both you have to add, then only you will get a total CP. Then SP 6400 given. C, CP is greater than SP, so you will get a loss only. Okay, rupees 50 loss percentage formula. You apply it in this formula, this value will get 0.77 percentage. Clear? See, 100 divided by 129. Okay, 129, 100, you can put a point and a 10, then 1000, that point will come front side. Okay, like that you can divide. Okay, this is another calculation only. You can divide it like that. Next, question number 8, CP of dozen pen, rupees 120, SP of a dozen pen, 1 pen 15 rupees, 1 dozen meaning 12, okay, 1 dozen 15 rupees per dozen, per pen, then 12 pen, how much, 12 into 15, rupees 180. Clear? SP is greater than CP. CP of dozen pen, question number 8. See, CP of dozen pen, rupees 120. Then SP 1 pen, rupees 15. SP of 1 pen is 15. Then A dozen meaning 12 pen. A dozen meaning 12. 12 pen, how much money? 12 into 15, that is rupees 180. So SP greater than CP, you will get a profit. Subtract it, 180 minus 120, you will get 60 rupees. After that, you find out the profit percentage. Profit percentage formula you know. Apply it in the formula. You will get answer profit percentage equal to 50%. Question number 9, CP given, loss percentage given. Apply it in formula. And after that, you cut it, you will get a rupees 900. Same type, question number 10. CP of 20 refills. 20 refills CP given rupees 50. SP of 20 refills equal to 20 into rupees. 1 refiller 2 rupees. 1 refiller 4 rupees. SP of 1 refiller 4 rupees. Then SP of 20 refiller, how much? 20 into rupees 4, rupees 80. Question number 10. CP of 20 refills rupees 50. SP of 20 refills equal to 20 into rupees 4 equal to rupees 80. Why? Because 1 refiller SP is rupees 4. Like that, 20 refiller SP will be 20 into 4 is rupees 80. Okay. Then SP greater than CP, you will get a profit. Subtract, you will get 80 minus 50, that is rupees 30. Profit percentage formula you apply, you will get a profit percentage is 60%. Question number 11. This is question number 11. CP of 100 pencils given 250. SP of 100 pencils. 1 pencil 1.75. Then 100 pencil 100 into 1.75. I already told you. Multiply 100 meaning point will be moved forward 2 digits. Okay. 2 digits you take and this point will be moved after 2 digits, that is 175. CP is greater than SP. You subtract, you will get a loss. So loss you are getting 75. Loss percentage, loss divided by CP into 100%. Put it in the formula and cut out. You will get a 30%. Question number 12. CP of cycle rupees 500. Just now I told you repairing and repainting you spend 80 rupees and 175 rupees. So you have to add up total, then only you will get a total CP, because these 3 type of money you only spending. So total CP equal to rupees 755. SP is 900. So SP is greater than CP. You will get a profit. Okay. After that, you have to find out the profit percentage by the formula. You will get answer 19.2%. Question number 13, CP of 600 apples. Transportation charge also you only giving. So total CP you will get how much? 5,200. Profit 800. Total profit you have to get 800 rupees. So SP equal to CP plus profit. CP plus profit you will get a SP of 600 apples profit. You are 600 apple profit was 800. So you are getting SP of 600 apples, that is rupees 6,000. You want 1 apple SP, so you have to divide, you will get rupees 10. Last question, question number 14. CP of box rupees 650 and profit percentage 7.5%. Apply it in formula, you will get rupees 698.75. Clear? You can't cut out this 0 also, this 0. Why? Because here addition sign is there. Wherever addition sign in between two numbers, you can't cut out the numbers. Only multiplication sign, you can cut out the number up and down. Here division sign, you can take reciprocal and cut out. Here addition, you can't. Here, see, you can cut out because this is multiplication. Multiplying this to this number. So you can cut out these two numbers. Okay.